अंजुणच्या कर्ली शेकाचे मुखेल बांदकाम मोडपाक सुप्रीम कोर्टांतल्यान स्टे ऑर्डर. फुडली सुनावणी फुडल्या सप्तकात आसतली.
स्टे मेळ्ळा.
हय
सुप्रीम कोर्टान स्टे दिला.
हां
See, I claim to be the owner of 4210.
हां
Okay, with respect to that, त्याने ते स्टे केला.
हय आनी सध्या कल्लीच बंद उरतले चालू उरता कशें कितें
कमर्शियल ऍक्टिव्हिटी करपाची ना म्हणून सांगलें टील द हियरिंग.
नेक्स्ट हियरिंग केन्ना बीन कितें सांगलां
नेक्स्ट वीक आसतलें.
Next week आसतलें.
कम बॅक टू यू ऑन दॅट.
तुमचें कंडिशन कितें आशिल्लें तुमी कितें सांगलें कोर्टाक
कितें
डेमोलिशन कित्याक करनाका बीन म्हणून
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टे न्हू रे. सडनली तुम्ही आतां एकाक येता 24 वरां अशें जावकूच ना मरे. तेच 24 वरां दिवंक ना मरे तेंच्यांनी आमकां. तुम्ही तांकां विचारपाक बाबा इतकी हरी कित्याक आहा काय म्हणून. कित्याक इतकी हरी कित्याक 24 वरां ना तूं चिंत मरे कितें आमी ते आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू कॉमेंट. तेजेर कांयच उलोवपाचें ना म्हाका. फक्त इतकेंच की आमकां स्टे मेळ्ळा रायट.
बाकीच्या सर्वे नंबरातले बारीक सारीक बांदकाम मोडप चालू. SP सोबीत सक्सेना म्हणटा सरकाराचे ऑर्थ आसा तशें आमी करता.
The job of the civil authorities to identify and ensure that demolition does not take place on any of the property which has been stayed by the Supreme Court. The police is here in a supportive role and we'll ensure that it proceeds smoothly and whatever is to be demolished legally is demolished.
So on process on the demolition work?
It's going on. That I have whatever orders have been issued by the government and whatever changes have been made by the Supreme Court are known to the authorities who are over here. They are carrying out demolition work and as police we are providing law and order and security support. We have also shut down another premises in Anjuna where we had done a late night checking and we had found methamphetamine on one of the guests. So that place has also been shut down. Our message to everyone is that there is zero tolerance for drug consumption and we'll take action against all those who are supplying, consuming, stocking or allowing their premises to be used for drug consumption.
सोनाली फोगाटाच्या मरणाचे केसीचो तपास करूंक हरियाणात गेल्ले गोंयचे पुलीस परत आयले.
वो टीम वापस आ गई है. जो तीनों आईओ हैं वो अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो अब तक की हुई है सब्सटैंशियल इन्वेस्टिगेशन उसको वो लोग अब नाउ दे आर एनालाइजिंग इट एंड I think it is being reviewed at senior levels. I think we are in a good place regarding investigation. We are confident of filing a charge sheet which is on objective grounds and which will be done after completing this investigation in an objective manner.
Sir, one more question. Are there any other bars under scanner after this entire Sonali Phogat episode?
We are also very happy to inform that in the last couple of weeks alone, we have had some very good seizures across North Goa. No less than 5 cases have been registered and as many people have been arrested. In fact, foreign nationals from Africa were also detained, ladies with drugs. There was a British national who was arrested with drugs in Pernem worth rupees 15 lakhs. There are also some raids which have taken place in which local people have been arrested. So we are not leaving anything out of our purview and we'll take strict action.
Bureau Report, Prudent.